It is another weekly Forex market forecast on ChartsEmpire Trading Academy. This weekly Forex market forecast is for the 13th to 17th of July, year 2026. Before we get it started, if you are yet to become a subscriber, kindly click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss valuable content posted weekly, daily on this YouTube channel. Share, like, and put a comment down. Let us know your opinions on our content on this YouTube channel. Do not forget the July batch admission is still on. The training will commence on the 13th of July, 2026. That is tomorrow, Monday. You can enroll by chatting us on WhatsApp or Telegram +234 906020 1255. You can either join our online class or our physical class. Thank you. In this weekly Forex market analysis, we will walk you through some currency pairs, some assets. First, we have the GU, British pound sterling paired against the USD. We have Euro paired against USD. We have the GBP paired against New Zealand. I have Euro paired against Australian dollar. And we wrap up our analysis with the XAU paired against USD, which is the gold. With that being said, let's dive into this weekly Forex market analysis. The first currency pairs on our list is the GU, the British pound sterling paired against the USD. Based on what we can see, based on our projection for some weeks ago, we told you there is a supply structure at 1.34300 and we need to be conscious of this supply level. You can see this supply level is acting as a potential level for sellers to come in, but we are yet to see a significant selling pressure at this level, but we can see a gradual build up of sales coming in at this level. So therefore, next week there's a higher tendency for sellers to push price all the way down, but currently right now we are yet to see confirmation for a bearish push to the downside. Also, on the 4-hour chart of this currency pairs, based on what we can see on the structural formation with alignment with our bullish trend line, we can see price cap series of higher lows and the higher highs, which is a projection the market is still going higher high. So based on the last swing, we can say the last swing is a higher high, and then what we have at this level is a sweep of liquidity, which gave us a higher low. So if price is yet to clear out this higher low structure right here, it is difficult for us to look out for a short or selling setup on this currency pair. Also, take note of our rising trend line. Price need to clear out this trend line, give us a retest and a nice, well aggressive bearish rejection before we can start anticipating for a possible bearish to the downside. Also, take note of this key level structure of the 1.33300, which may act as a demand for price. So next week, whatever we have to do or whatever we can see as a trade opportunity, we will always share with traders in our VIP community. Yet to become a member of our VIP Trading Signals community, chat us on WhatsApp or Telegram on +234 906020 1255 so you become a member today. It is absolutely free to become a member. Alternatively, next week, if price should get a rejection from this level, we should be expecting a continuation of rally to the upside based on the bullish market structure we can see on the 4-hour chart. So next week, whatever we can see right here, we always share with traders in our VIP trading community. The next currency pair on our list is the Euro paired against USD. This currency pair is still in a downtrend, but we can see a potential demand structure, and the formations are the 1.14000. We are currently holding on to a buy position on this currency pair, but the market is not going as we expected rather. So market is still in a phase of consolidation, but we can see our rising trend line is still holding price, and our major key level support, which acts at the price of the 1.1400, which was the entry zone for us for a buy position, is still yet to be violated. For as long price still claim this structure right here above 1.1400, we are still bullish bias, but take note of the level which acts at the price of the 1.13620. If sellers can break this level right here, there's a higher tendency for price to depreciate to the next demand zone, which acts at the price of the 1.12900, which was the previous demand structure at this level. That was on the 3rd, I think that was on the 29th of May year 2025. So take note of this key level structure. It may be a point of interest for buyers if price should crash to this level. So on Monday, we are going to monitor these currency pairs to let you know if we need to dump this currency pair, get out, or if there's tendency for price to reversal, because we are still holding on to our little profit. I mean 14 pips profit on this currency pair. So next week, if price should give us a bullish push to the upside, it's possible we may flow to the supply level, which acts at the price of the 1.1600, because this is a concentration of supplies on which we should be expecting another continuation of bearish push to continue push to the downside. That is on the euro pair against USD. Now let's move on to the next currency pairs. We have the Great Britain pound sterling paired against the New Zealand. We start from the day chart. On the day chart, we can see the aggressive selling setup which occurred on Thursday, followed by a small bearish candlestick on Friday. On the weekly chart, this is where the technical actions become so obvious. On the weekly chart, we can see a strong bearish reversal candlestick, which showed us how liquidity was being swept at these supply zones above. That is at the 2.35000. You can see that. So next week we are anticipating for a continuation of a bearish push to the downside, but we need to wait for a retracement. We can't just make a sell right here. The risk will be too high. So let's check the day chart. On the day chart, we can see we close below the higher low swings right there, and there are some internal structures or market structure we need to figure out on the 4-hour chart, which is the intraday chart. Now on the 4-hour chart, based on what we can see on the market structure swing, we can see we have a higher low swings right here, equal highs, higher low swings right here at the price of the 2.3590, and then we add a little break of structure. This break of structure, price didn't break through aggressively or for a long time period. It was just a mild or weak bullish breakout right there. So we can technically call this like a false breakout, and price depreciated all the way down, tested our higher low swing right here, and we can see the higher low swings at this level right here. Price rallied up again, and this higher low swing was being voided. I mean, it was being destroyed, and price rallied to the downside. So we have seen a possible change of character, a series of higher lows taken out in this uptrend. So what we technically need to see next week is a retracement to reduce our risk and then to increase our reward ratio. So we wait for price to retrace to the strong supply zone, which acts at the price of the 2.34550. So if we can see a massive bearish rejection candlestick right here, this could trigger a selling pressure to come in on the British pound sterling paired against the New Zealand to flow all the way down to the next technical key level structure, which acts at the price of the 2.30900, which was a break of structure right here. So it's possible this might act as a retest of structure on the British pound sterling paired against New Zealand. So let's see how far this currency pair or this setup will go next week. So whatever we have to do, we will always share with traders in our VIP community. Alternatively, if price should rally all the way up, whereby there isn't any selling or prayer coming in at the price of the 2.34500, it likely price continue the higher high swings in this market. So let's see how far the market would go next week. Now the next currency pair on our list is the euro paired against the Australian dollar. We start our analysis from the day chart. I've been emphasizing on these currency pairs for the past weeks right now. If you have been monitoring or following me up on the daily live stream on our Yoruba YouTube channel and at times on our English YouTube channel, I emphasize on the technical formation. I can see right from the sweep of liquidity at the 1.61200, and we kept on having series of higher lows, and at the top we have higher highs, and series of break of structure. So technically we can see this market structure, it's obeying the concept of a bullish market structure. So in a bullish market structure, technically we want to look out for retracement to continue the bullish rally. So based on what I can see right here, we can see we have a series of structures which I marked out, which are FVGs which can be spotted or obvious on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see I marked out some series of FVGs right there. I have an FVG at 1.63800, 1.63800, another FVG at 1.63400, and another one at 1.62400. So based on what we had right here, we have to look out for confluence factors which you can build as this point right here. So based on our principles of Fibonacci retracement tool, I fired my Fibonacci from the last higher low swing to the current or the peak of this market, which is the higher high swings at 1.66183. And our Fibonacci retracement tool revealed that the 1.63700 aligns to the premium level, which is the 0.786. And there is an FVG right there. So there's a concentration of technical factors right there, which may serve as an entice buyers to look for a bullish setup right there. Also, take note of the next FVG, which acted or occurred at like other block zones right there. So it's possible price may use the first FVG right here as an inducement, whereby liquidity comes in the FVG of the 1.63400, whereby market can sweep this level before it rallies to the upside. So I am so much interested in this currency pair of the euro pair against the Australian dollar next week, because I can see a lot of possibility of liquidity occurring right there. And if liquidity can occur right there, this could trigger an aggressive move on this currency pair. So whatever I have to do right here on this currency pair next week, I will always share with traders in our VIP trading signals community. It's also free to the public. If you'd like to join our free trading signals community, why not chat us on WhatsApp or Telegram on +234 9060 201255. Alternatively, check the links in the description of this video down below to join our free trading signals community. Also, don't ignore the FVG, which acts at the price of the 1.62400. So whatever we have to do right here next week, we need to exercise patience and do what we can see in the market and not what we expect in the market. So this is what we have on the EU, that is the EU paired against the Australian dollar. So if this level right here, concentration of technical failed, there's possibility for price to rally all the way to the next FVG at 1.62400. Now it's time we wrap up our analysis with the XAU paired against USD, which is the king. Right here, we start from the day charts. If you have been following my analysis of for past weeks right now, you can see I kept on emphasizing XAU paired against USD is in a downtrend, and we should be looking out for a bearish structure to the downside. Although I also emphasize on the, you got to be very careful as a trader, because in this market we are going to see some series of buys and sells, but the majority of the market flow in this market is going to the downside. So on Friday and on Thursday there was some bullish setups, and on Wednesday there was some bullish liquidity sweep from the bottom. So I saw all these setups right here, and we sent out some trading signals last week. I mean, this concluded week we sent out sell signals right, and people made some money on this sell scalp and day trading setup. So congratulations to those who are in the gold scalping signal community of ChartsEmpire Trading Academy. And we did a lot of trades last week. Examples are the New Zealand paired against CHF, Euro paired against USD, Euro paired against Canada. All the currency pairs or the market we traded this concluded week were all in profit. We give all glory to God Almighty. So the New Zealand paired against CHF played well, even beyond my surprise. You can see our entry zones, our TP zone, that is almost 6 risk reward ratio setup. In fact, the market went up the way almost to 7.2 risk reward ratio setup. So that is crazy. So if you don't want to miss out next week, what are you doing? Check the links in the description of this video to join our trading signals community today. It is free. Now, based on what we have on XAU paired against USD, we are still expecting price to push all the way up. I can see some concentration of selling pressure building up at this zone of our descending trend line. Now, on the 4-hour chart, if you view this on the 4-hour chart, we can see there's going to be possibility of concentration of sell at this zone, because we had some rejections, swings level right here, some invisible rejections right there. So it likely price come to this level, have a possible or strong bearish rejection right there. If a strong bearish rejection can occur right here, this could trigger a more sales entries to come in on gold, and that will be at the price of the 4,220 slash 4,210. So it's likely bearish push continue all the way down, or maybe next week. Yes, it's possible next week. So this is based on what we can see technically. So what we need to do now is to exercise patience and let market play based on what we can see technically. So for confirmation, so let's say if market can give us like a sweep of this eye, we have the eye right here. Can market go all the way up, take out this eye in combination with our trend line liquidity, sweep it down, and then we look out for short setup all the way to the downside on XAU paired against USD. Alternatively, if price breaks out this level right here, then it means maybe gold is pushing all the way up for more bullish rally to the upside. So that is what I can see on the XAU paired against USD. So whatever I have to do next week, I will always share with students or members in our free trading signals community or our VIP community. Don't forget, the July batch admission training is currently on. The training starts on Monday, 10th of July. Don't miss this. We have physical and online class. All right. Call us, chat us on WhatsApp or Telegram. The fastest way to get access to us is to chat us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Also use the link in the description of this video to get access to our free trading signals Telegram channel, link down below. I will see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, suggest any topic or you would want us to treat on this YouTube channel. If you are interested in the Yoruba channel, Yoruba videos, tutorial on Forex, crypto, commodity index, check down the links in the description of this video. We have the links to access our Yoruba YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one. Manage your risk, be disciplined, and exercise patience. See you in the next video. Peace.